Grab the leader, grab the leader. I'm like, I don't know. It's like, woo. All right, we're doubled up right now. This is awesome. Other side. Play rod, baby. Real, baby. Get her. Good. Okay, guys, this is the introduction to the 3 Billfish challenge. The Billfish Slam on a kayak is what I was trying to do. And fishing my whole life, I always wanted to catch these 3 fish off a boat. But I thought it'd be a lot cooler to do off a kayak and be one of the few people to ever do it, or first. It's a pretty hard thing to do. Takes a lot of time, takes a lot of effort, takes a lot of trips. But I was able to accomplish this. And I'm going to show you guys all 3 of these catches, all on video. All back to back to back. Sailfish, Blue Marlin, Swordfish. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, this morning we're going to go out to a reef and probably jig something up. Dad's going to control 2 baits, Eric's going to control 2 baits. Hopefully catch something on the way out there or way back in, and then catch some fish in the reef. Will be a good day. Alright, we're doubled up right now. Oh, this is awesome. Eric, I was letting out my bait and it started running. Screaming right now. It's a nice sailfish. Jumped a couple of times already. He's right there. Oh crap. My drag's good. Yeah, right now we have to be this drag's to be super light. Run 20-pound mono. The fish can't see as well, even though we have wire at the end. It makes a huge difference from straight braid to wire. It makes you go mono to fluoro then to wire. And it makes it better to hide the wire. Might make you jump, might make you jump up here. About to. It's right there. Get out of the surface again. Lifting up. No! Alright, bring out the other side. There you go. Come on, jump, baby. I'm pulling him up. Inside his mouth, I can grab him by the bill. Oh, come on, other side. I'm gonna have to go 3/6. No, I'm bringing it the other way. Come on. That rod, it'll break. Jump again, isn't it? No, it's about to be done. It's on its side. Oh shit. Got it. Hold on tight. Don't lean. Right now I'm reviving this sailfish. I'm gonna try to cut the hooks out of it real quick. You can do that, it's not, it's fine. They'll rust out literally in 2 weeks or maybe rust out. He's supposed to be bought. And that's pretty much it. We keep pushing him along until he can swim back off healthy. Alright, so that sailfish was pretty easy. Only took about 20 trips and a lot of hours on the water. So now I have my eyes on something else a little bigger, and that was the Blue Marlin off of Costa Rica. This trip was definitely one of the toughest ever. Any conditions, any fish fought very, very hard. My back was sore for a couple days after. Fought for 2 hours, 250 pounds estimate. It was non-stop action with 100 miles off the water. Let's get right into it. All right, here we are. Kobe got hooked up. Fighting a fish. We're on a sleigh ride right now. Absolutely flying. Took all the line back out.
Come on, fish, come on.
Yeah! Woo! Let's go, boy! Go for Big Blue!
That's a good sized fish, too.
Dude, I can't move that Drag's down, we're good. Oh shit. I need to put it like back here.
Yeah, he gets really good.
Grab it, Kobe.
Let him go.
Micah, tell us what happened.
I don't even know. This is just a story that I'll never forget ever for a million years. I mean, one of the craziest parts, right there at the end, right before he's about to grab it, dude, a huge marlin just comes up. You see his giant nose, and it's just pointing right at us. And I'm like, everyone's like, grab the leader, grab the leader. I'm like, I don't know what to do. It's like, whoo.
I know,
and then Colby comes in. Man, I gotta give it to that guy. He worked his ass off today.
All right, after that crazy catch, here's the last fish, the swordfish. This fish was the last one to come off the slam. You got sailfish, marlin, now swordfish. This one got with Captain Nick, and this took a valiant first attempt. We went for 3 days last year, failed, and then this time we came back. First day we didn't get a single bite. Second day, where all the action happened. On my 18th birthday, I learned a lot. It was intense. Triple digit fish, over 100 pounds. I think somewhere in that range, definitely more. And did it safely, did it right, and I was super happy. I'll check out this footage and let's get right into it.
Colby is hands down one of the craziest anglers I've ever met in my life, and I love it. So Colby and I are out here, sitting here, waiting for a swordfish bite, watching a buoy. And right over there, if you guys can see far in the background, that pelagic boat, they're slaying mahi.
That was it.
Tighten it up some. Loosen it a little bit.
It's on to you.
Loosen it. Loosen it.
I'm on two.
I understand, but it's pulling around. It's not.
What do you want me to do?
Hell, pull it off the stool or something. It's stuck.
Oh, there it goes. All right.
Woo! Alright, so with all that adrenaline rushing, Colby forgot there for a minute. He has to guide the line out with his hand, and it kind of bulked up. And it got stuck. It was running. I actually thought he was going to flip, but Nick is hooting and hollering, and we got it unjammed, and he's still on.
Yep, we've been on this fish for about 20 minutes now, and Colby's doing work. He went down probably about 500 feet, I'd guess, and Colby's getting him up inch by inch now. We'll see what happens.
Wait. Oh, watch the rudder.
Go ahead, sticker.
Oh, perfect.
Go sticker now. Come on.
Get your tip up. Get her anywhere you can. Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, baby.
That's right.
Good job, guys. Good job. Good job.
Woo!
Baby. Good job, guys.
There we go, man.
Good job.
Good job.
Show that fish.
It is.
Good pictures, that Grant.
There you go.
Yeah. Give me a recap.
All right, guys, this landed this swordfish. Fishing for the past 2 days. Captain Nick got this guy for us, got the lead weight off. Landed this thing, man. It's a huge fish. Bill's so sharp, so beautiful. Nick, Dean, Eric, Dad, helped everybody else landing. It was an awesome time. Glad we could get it. Don't know how the video's going to turn out, but we landed it still on a kayak. Awesome time. Hope you liked the video. And I'll see y'all next time. Woo! Get in the water. All right, guys, and that's the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the kayak fishing slam challenge. Hopefully some other people get to complete it, and I'm thankful enough to have that happen. Yeah, I just hope y'all enjoy all the video, enjoy all getting able to show this to all y'all, and that's what it's really all about, getting like people to experience it, because not everyone gets to do things like this. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.